Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology. So in my last video I showed you how to build a real company style file server from scratch just like big organizations do. We set up Active Directory, configured DNS, created departments like HR and IT, and control who can access what using groups and permissions. Basically we built a complete enterprise style environment at home. Now if you haven't watched that video yet, stop right here and go check it out first. I have already uploaded in my channel and I will also drop the link in my video description because this video is part 2 and we are going next level. In this video I am going to show you how actually manage and monitor your entire network after setup. How you can track each and every system, each and every server and keep everything under control from one place. This is exactly how real IT admins monitor company infrastructure. So if you want to turn your setup into a full professional lab, then let's get started. Alright, so before we move forward, we need one important thing in our network, an Ubuntu machine. This is going to act as our monitoring server, so make sure you have at least one Ubuntu system running inside your network. You can install it on any PC, laptop or even inside VMware. Now, I am assuming that you already have Ubuntu installed and ready to go on your local network. But if you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, I have already made a complete step-by-step video on how to install Ubuntu. You can check it out. I will put the link on my video description below. So once your Ubuntu machine is ready and connected to the same network, we are ready to go. So now let's move to the next step. So at first we need to open terminal on Ubuntu system. Next we need to change our IP automatic to manual, where you have to change the IP address, Netmask and gateway and DNS. After done, I will check through ping command to Google that my internet is working or not. And as you can see, I am getting reply that means my internet is working fine. So at first we need to update and upgrade the Ubuntu machine. So for that we need to type sudo space apt space update, then sudo space apt space upgrade, then -y. After that press enter and it will automatically update your Ubuntu machine. Next we need to install Zabbix monitoring server on my Ubuntu machines. For that we will use our widget command over here. After download I will use ls command to check the Zabbix is properly downloaded or not. Next I will use a command called sudo space dpkg-i space then Zabbix dev file name. After done, you just need to type sudo apt update. Don't worry, I will give you all this command to my video description, you can check it out there. Next we will use the install command for Zabbix, MySQL and Apache. For that, copy the command from my video description and paste it on your terminal and press enter. And next we have to set the database. For that we have to type sudo space MySQL space -u space root -p. So after that you need to put your password over here. Next we have to create the database. For that you need to type one by one all the commands. Here Zabbix is my database name and username, and my password is technology@123. Here I will use jetcat command to check the MySQL is working fine or not. Here I have to put the password, which I already said. In my case it is technology@123. As you can see, I am not getting any error. That means it is working fine. Next we have to edit zabbixserver.conf file. Here we need to remove the hash key from db host, db name, db user and db password. In db password equals to, we need to put our database password, which I have already created during installation. So the password in my case it is technology@123. Now press Ctrl+O together from your keyboard to write out, means save the changes. For exit this window you need to press Ctrl+X together from your keyboard. After done, you need to restart one by one MySQL, Zabbix and Apache. For that you need to type sudo systemctl restart, then MySQL, Zabbix or Apache. After done, you need to open your browser and type your local IP address, means Ubuntu machine IP address, then /Zabbix. And after that press enter. After that click on next. Now here make sure that all the checks are okay, and after that click on next step. Here on this window, database name Zabbix already I have set during installation, and user also Zabbix, and the password in my case technology@123, which I'll put over here. Here to put Zabbix server name, in my case it is technology, I'll put over here, and after that click on next. Also you can change the theme from here. After installation done, you need to put the username and password. Here the username is admin in caps, then admin, and password is Zabbix in all in small. As you can see, I have successfully logged into the Zabbix server. Alright, now let's test our Zabbix server from another machine in the network. So I'm going to open a browser from different system and log in into the Zabbix dashboard using that server IP. Once you are logged in, go to configuration and then click on host. And here you will see all the system currently are being monitored. Now click on create host. This is where we add new machines to monitor. But before we can add anything here, there is one important step. We need to install and configure Zabbix agent on every machine that we want to monitor. This agent will send system information like CPU uses, memory, disk and network stats back to the Zabbix server. So basically every computer or server in your network that you want to monitor must have the Zabbix agent installed. In the next step, I will show you exactly how to install and configure the agent on your systems. So let's do that. So firstly, I will configure the Zabbix agent on my Windows server. So I'll open CMD and as you can see, here is my IP address. So now I'll open the browser and search for Zabbix agent download. Go to the first link. Now scroll down. Here you need to select OS distribution, Windows OS version 11 and 10 and make sure that all the options are checked. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will see the download option. After download Zabbix agent, you need to install it on your computer. Here Zabbix server IP, you need to put your Zabbix server IP. In my case it is 10.10.10.197. And make sure that port is 10050. Also server and proxy you need to put 10.10.10.197 in my case because it is my Zabbix server IP. Check the option called add agent location to the path. Once the installation is completed, you need to open services.msc. Simply go to your start window and type services.msc. After open services window, make sure that Zabbix agent is running. Also make sure that startup type are selected as a automatic. Now you need to open CMD as an administrator mode and after that type this command to enable Zabbix agent from your firewall. Here I have to put the host name, so I have to go to that computer where I have installed the Zabbix agent and after that type host name. So as you can see, here is my host name. Simply copy that host name. Templates, you need to click on select templates operating systems. Now select your Windows by Zabbix agent. Now groups, I will select templates operating system. Under interface, you need to click on add, then click on agent. Here you need to put your machine IP address where you have installed Zabbix agent. In my case it is 10.10.10.197. And make sure that port number is 10050. After that click on add. After added successfully, go to monitoring and then click on host. Now it will show your machine over here, and on availability make sure that JBX is enabled, so you have to wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, the availability of JBX is enabled now. Now I'll click on dashboard and after that click on all dashboard. Here I will click on create dashboard. On this page you just need to put the name of your dashboard. In my case I'll put over here Windows Server Administrator, and default page display period. Yeah, I will put over here 10 seconds near about. And after that, click on apply. You can add widgets like this way, or else click on add, then add widgets. Now I'll select type problems. And name I'll put over here all system problems. Now I'll select the host group. In my case it is templates / operating system. Also I want to monitor Zabbix server, so I'll select Zabbix server also. In host group, I will select template operating system, and it will automatically show my computer host name. I will select that one. Under severity, you need to check all the options. After that, click on add. I will add one more widgets over here, which is grabs. So I'll select grabs over here. Also, I will select another widget, which is host availability. That means whenever my host is down, it will give me a alert. Now as you can see, under host up and down, it is showing 2 available. Now I will shut down my Windows server and let's see it is showing on unknown or not. So now as you can see, it is showing 1 available and 1 is not available. That means my one host is down over here. So through this way you can monitor lots of things. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.